Welcome to my channel, a channel with a target for knowledge and growth. On this channel, every video is crafted with care and precision towards enlightenment. Are you ready to embark on the journey filled with knowledge and inspiration and empowerment? Then look no further. Our target here is to enlighten every individual, professional or non-professional, concerning career options that you have. The video is crafted with care and precision to provide you with valuable insights and life-changing information. Whether you are looking to a new skill in Germany, or you are already in a skill or in a profession and wish to switch careers, then if you're a professional or a non-professional who is ready to embark on a new adventure, then this is a channel for you as well. Whether you're starting to look out for a fresh one concerning fresh career path concerning vocational training, this could be your gateway to success. So why choose Germany? Germany is known for its robust vocational training system, which offers hands-on experience and academic learning. The hands-on experience and the academic learning you earn and you learn as well, which is a perfect place to develop practical skills, and this can open doors to multitude of career opportunities for you here in Germany. Don't forget to join our community of like-minded individuals who share their success story, share their stories, their journey on how they integrated successfully into Germany. Get inspired by their stories, find the support you need to thrive in your new environment. By watching this video, you are not just helping yourself, you are helping families and friends, because you are becoming a beacon of knowledge to them. So share this information with them, and also don't forget to hit the subscribe button. In this way, you get notifications and you get information about the latest video. When we post new videos, then you can be the first to know. Together we can create a network of informed and inspired individuals. So your success journey into Germany concerning vocational training must definitely be a success. In the previous videos, in the old playlist, in the previous playlist, not old, I already discussed 15 career options concerning professions. I discussed 15 career options about professions in mechanical and plant engineering. That is Berufe in Maschinen und Anlagebau. So if you're interested in professions in mechanical and plant engineering, I will encourage you to watch my previous playlist. It's going to help you, and it's filled with life-changing information that can help you integrate fast into Germany. Into this video, it's all about metal construction, that is Berufe in Metallbau. I'll be discussing 3 career options in this video, so I encourage you to watch the video to the end. If you are interested in metal construction, how to work in the companies or how to learn about it, then this is a video I will encourage you to watch to the end. So see you in the career options. Welcome back. The first career path I'll be discussing today is the Berufe in Metallbau. The area of specialization is plant mechanic, that is the Anlage Mechanikerin. The duration is 3 years and 5 months, and it's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. Do you need any certificate to get into this? If you have your Hochschulreife, if you have your Abschluss or your Realschulabschluss, then you are admitted into this career path. So the duration is 3 years and 5 months. The description: what do you expect to do as a plant mechanic? They manufacture systems and piping systems for the chemical, mineral and food industry. So they manufacture piping systems for chemical, mineral and food industries, or for supply engineering companies. They cut and bend sheet metals. So you are basically working with metals. That is all you are doing. They cut pipes to length, bend pipe sections and sheet metals, and manufacture individual components using CNC machines. For example, if necessary, they assemble the components into assemblies, and they arrange them to be transported to construction site or to customers' companies. They assemble individual components and they connect pipes. They install valves and seals and connect boilers or pressure vessels and on finished systems over to customers. Their tasks also include maintaining the systems, repairing them, and if necessary, expanding and converting existing piping systems. So where do they find employment? If you are a plant mechanic, where do you expect to find employment? You find employment in companies that build pipelines and industrial plants. Companies that are into building of pipelines and industrial plants, that is where you find employment. For example, companies that build equipment and containers, or they are into the installation and supply of companies that produce oil and gas. If companies that produce oil and gas, anything that has to do with their piping system, that is where you will find employment. The next career paths will be discussed in this video, so still watch this video to the end. I encourage you to do so. Don't give up on your careers. Don't forget, only you can stop you. So welcome. This is the second area of specialization career paths that you have. This is the second career, that is container and apparatus builder, that is Behälter und Apparatbauerin. The duration is 3 years and 5 months as well, and it's also an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. It is a recognized training. It's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. Do you need certificates? Yes, if you have your university qualification, your high school leaving certificate, your intermediate school leaving certificate, any of the certificate, that is your Realschul, Hochschulreife, Hauptschulabschluss, your Realschulabschluss, any of the certificates, you are admitted into this career path. So it is 3 years and 5 months. So what is the description of those that are equipment builders? That is, vessel and equipment builders manufacture boilers and pressure assistant reaction vessels for process engineering and food and beverage industry. So they manufacture boilers for process engineering and food and beverage industries. As well, they work with heat exchangers and turbines housings for energy and supply engineering. They make out sheets, they profile the sheets based on technical drawings, and they shape them by hand or machine. They assemble them into components or groups. So container builders, they build with any technical drawing, they look into it, and they file, they drill, they saw and semi-grind finished products together. They make welded or soldered components connections together. They cut threads and treat surfaces. They now assemble the entire system of plants and devices together to make fittings fixed together. They check welds and surfaces and ensure that the systems are leak-proof. Every container is leak-proof. They also maintain and repair systems, containers, and equipment. So that is what they do. Where do they find employment? Container and apparatus builders, they find employment in metal and mechanical engineering companies. As the picture beside me is showing, mechanical engineering companies, they find employment there. They find employment where containers or entire are used for various areas of application. They also find employment in gas and water installation companies, in heating and ventilation system companies. That is where they also find employment. So the third career path in this video will be discussed. So stay tuned and keep watching. Welcome back again. The third career path I'll be discussing now, as the picture beside me is showing, is a boat builder specializing in new construction, extension, and conversion. That is Bootsbauerin in the Fachrichtung Neuen Aus- und Umbau. The duration is 3 years as well and 5 months, and it's also an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. It is a recognized training. What are the requirements do you need? That is a certificate. You'll need the Hochschulreife if you have your Hochschulreife, if you have your Realschulabschluss or your Hauptschulabschluss, that's your university qualification certificate, your secondary school leaving certificate, your high school leaving certificate, any of these certificates you are admitted. Let's not forget, every certificate that you have, you must understand the German language as well. Your German language, you must have your German certificate to show that you can understand what is being taught. So what is the description? What do boat builders, what are they specialize in new construction, extension and conversion? What do? They build paddle and rowing boats. They build sailing boats. If you're interested in how they build sailing boats, then this is a career you want to look into. They build motor and sailing yachts as well, but also smaller fishing boats and other commercial vehicles for inland and maritime shipping. So they construct components such as the hull or the deck and assemble them to form the boat body. For larger boats, they also manufacture the superstructure, take care of the interior fittings, and make the mast and spars. So their materials are not only made of wood only, but also steel, aluminium, and fiber reinforced plastics. They use it in boat building. So if you're interested in how yacht boats, fishers boats, smaller boats is being built, this is a career you want to look into. They also carry out repair works as well and conversion works. In order to protect the deck and superstructure, they make sure that the hull doesn't cause damage. That is that metal thing that is being dropped by water or effect of the water. They paint the surfaces and they check that everything is built to the standard. They treat the underwater area of the boat with special coating materials. After a thorough inspection, they repair any existing structural or material damage and to the body, to the hull or the superstructure of the boat. So where do you expect to find employment if you are doing this? If you are going into this career, you find employment in boat building companies or boat repair shops or workshops or boat yards, or those are into the supply of boat parts, especially the plastic material or the wood material. That is where you will find employment. So if you're interested in how yacht, sailing boats is being built, this is a career you would want to look into. So stay tuned for more career options in this area of specialization. Don't forget, don't give up on your careers. Hit the subscribe button so that when we post new videos, you are the first to get notifications and you can watch more careers and you can have more information about life-changing opportunities. Your journey to integrating in Germany through vocational training must be a success. So don't forget, stay tuned to us. Don't give up on your careers. Share the videos with families and friends, and see you in the next video.